What are financial markets? They're global systems where people come to buy and sell assets like stocks, currencies, crypto, and commodities. But they're not just places online, they're systems driven by supply, demand, and belief. They're essential to the global economy. Companies raise money, governments borrow, and investors grow wealth. But how is profit actually made? It starts with understanding that prices in these markets are always moving. When someone buys an asset at one price and sells it at another price, they can pocket the difference. Plus, some assets like stocks and bonds pay dividends and interest just for ownership. Some professionals trade more actively, aiming to benefit from short-term price changes. Investors will be in it for the long haul, but the core principle stays the same: buy value, manage risk, and think long-term. Financial markets aren't about luck, they're about informed decisions, patience, and discipline. And while there's always risk, the potential to build wealth over time is real when you treat the market like a tool, not a game.